Welcome in, welcome in. Hello, Shani. Welcome in, love. Good evening, good evening. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. We are going to be hitting this GED Math tonight. Hello, hello. How is your day going, Shani? Thank you for grabbing your heart, me. So we gonna start. We ain't gonna waste no time. Hey, Cotton Candy. Hey, Leslie. Thank you for grabbing your heart, me. Thank you for the populars. Man. Hey, Ben Breezy, welcome in. So I had to go to the Social Security office today. And let me tell you, when you want to talk about, but the good news is I took care of business and it paid off. I said, this is the worst feeling where you like sitting, waiting for hours. It felt like I was waiting. Yeah, it was like so many people up in there. I'm like, what? How many people? And I'm just waiting. Then they're like, oh, you got to go back to this place. You got to go. We need this proof. We need this special proof. So I'm going all over town. But it's taken care of. So it's like at least my work wasn't in vain today. Hey, One Vice. Welcome in. That's why I missed earlier today, you guys. I got stuck at the Social Security office today. Thank you for the rose. Thank you, One Vice. Okay, I see 14. I'm going to circle it. And let's do our order of operations. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. So we're going to do, okay, Shani said B as well. What are we doing first? We're going to divide first, all right? Multiplication and division, left to right. So 18 divided by 3, that's 6. Good. Then we have multiply before addition. So we're going to get 6 plus 8. And yes, that is 14 all day long. Wonderful. Let's go to number 3. A shirt costs $24 and it's discounted by 35%. What is the sales price? Are you getting A, B, C, or D? Put your answers in the chat if you know. A. What are we getting for number 3? Since we have a discounted, our first step, 100 minus 35. Okay, One Bite said B. I'm going to circle it because you said it. And then we should have 65% is what we're actually paying. Oh, okay. You don't got the copies right now? No worries. So we're going to do 24 times 0.65. Let's see. So we're going to get 20 here, 10, 12. Add that 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14. We're going to add. We're going to get 0. 6, 5, 1. Close. Yeah, it's A. Yep. Good One, Vice. It is A. Perfect. So we're going to, as soon as we saw this 6, right? We know A is the only one that had a 6, so it had to be A. Perfect. All right, let's go to the next, if no questions. Number 2, solve 7x minus 5 equals 23. What you guys getting for this one? Thank you, 14 Problems, for sharing out the live. B, I got A. Hey, Sharon, good evening, love. Okay, 4. Okay, I saw 2 B's, so we're going to go with the 2. What we do first for this problem, you guys? What do we do first? Oh, on the last one. Yeah, the last one was A, Sharon. Got it. Yeah, the last one was A. plus 5 plus 5. Perfect, because we want to undo this. 7x equals 28. Perfect. Thank you, Shani, for the repost, love. X equals 4. And this is our beautiful answer. So wonderful. B, good, Sharon. Yes, yes. All right. Which is the simplified form? Ooh, this is a good one. So simplified form means, I want you to think about combining like terms. So here we have this, and we have this. A. Okay, I see those A's coming in. I love it, I love it. I'm going to circle it because y'all saying it. Wonderful job. So 4 minus 2, that's going to give us 2x squared plus 3x plus 7. And yes, A is our answer. Wonderful, Shani. Yep, that's our answer. So perfect. Good. Let's go to the next. This one should be done within a split second. If you're seeing this on your test, what are we getting for this one, you guys? Because it's only one step. D. Wonderful, Sharon. Let's go. Yes, one vice. Excellent. It is D. Wonderful, Shani. How did you guys do it? What did you guys do? Good. Perfect. So you just you went like this? Perfect. So, yes, multiply 4 on both sides. Good. To undo it here. And then 36. Perfect. This is like a 2-second problem. Always quick. Okay? That's the quickest way, is just multiply this, and that's your answer. All right. Perfect. Number 7. This is another short problem that they could give you. And this should be another quickie. C. Good one, Vice. Good, Shani. Wonderful, you guys. It is C. Good. Okay. As soon as we saw... Good. Shani said distribute. Exactly. Now, we always, 99% of us get this first one. Good, Sharon. A lot of us forget this one here. So 5 times 3, 15x. Perfect. Now, we know this and this wasn't even an option. We really had a 50-50 chance. And if you guys remember to swing it there, yes, C is our answer. So wonderful. Great job. T-Long, thank you for grabbing your heartbeat today. A recipe uses 6 cups of flour for 12 muffins. How many cups are needed for 30 muffins? What are we getting for this? C, 7.5. Sharon says C for this one. I'm going to circle it because you said it, Sharon. 3 over 12. Where am I putting my 30 at? On top or bottom? On top or bottom? One vice said C as well. Bottom. Perfect. Muffins got a match. Okay. Shani said as well. This got to be the answer, y'all. If we all saying C. Let's cross multiply. So we're going to get, I'm going to write it like this. 12x equals, and I'm going to keep it separate. 3 times 30, I know that's 90, but I think my brain will process it better. If I say, okay, 3 can go into 12. I see 3 can go into 12. How many times? Because what I'm trying to not do is long division. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to put 4 on the bottom. Then I say, okay, can I split? What can I take out of a 30 and a 4? What do they have in common? Hey, Michael, welcome in. 2. Exactly. So if I take half of this, put 15, half of this, I get 2. Well, half of 15, if I have to split $15, no, because we divide them by 2. So that's why we get 15. Good. If we have to split $15, yes, that's going to give us $7.50 each. So that's 7.5. Perfect. So what we did first, when we ended up, let's go here, just make sure that we're all on the same page. When we were here, I asked, what did they have in common? We said a 2 is what we can divide out because they're both evens. That gives us 15 over 2. Now, how we take halves of odd numbers, this is what my brain does in my head. I'm going to show you. I break it up to 14 and 1. And then I put 2 and 2. Well, half of 14 is 7. And a half, we know, is always 0.5. And that's how you can do any odd number, you guys. Any odd number. You just break it up. Pull off the 1. And then, does that make sense? Are we good there? Does that make sense to you guys? If you can't use a calculator? Oh, okay. Good, Sharon. Good. Perfect. All right. Let's go to the next. Yes, ma'am. Okay, perfect. Good. -3 to the second power plus 2 to the third power. Are we getting A, B, C, or D? Put your answers in the chat if you know. Okay, we got a -1. 1 vote for -1. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I love it. I love the honesty. No worries. Okay, we have a -3 to the second power. Do we at least know what we get for this part? -3 to the second power. Can I see your answers for just this part here? 9. That's what I was hoping to see. That's what I was hoping to see. Hey, Tess. Good evening, love. Yes, you guys, see, the negative is not a part of that 3. Good, Michael. Yes, so we have to leave that negative outside. And see how the squared is only attached to the 3. So we write this as 3 times 3. And then this should get us -9 plus. Okay, now let's look here. What's 2 to the third power? Can you put that? What do you get for 2 to the third power? Right, forgot the type. Yes, forgot the negative. Yes. Because if you put it in the calculator like this, it should come out -9. But if you put parentheses, that's where it's going to jack you up. 8. Beautiful. I see those 8s. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. When we combine this, somebody borrowed $9 from us. They only paid us 8. Where we at? Where we at on this? -1. Exactly. Perfect. Good. It is -1. So wonderful, you guys. Good. Yep, you was right, One Vice. You was right. So perfect. I'm glad you ain't switch your answer. So solve 4, parenthesis, x plus 3 equals 40. Are we getting the A, B, C, or D? 7. Good. Okay, I see your 7s. Good. I like it, Michael. Okay, Michael said, let's divide by 4. Let's not distribute and forget. Okay, Van Breezy said D. Okay, love to see it. So we're going to divide by 4. Divide by 4 first. Perfect. I love this. Well, what does that do? That's going to drop us down with the x plus 3 equals 10. Abigail, welcome to the pack family. But. Thank you for becoming a super fan. Welcome in. Thank you, One Vice, for grabbing your heart me. So what do we do now? That way is much better. Yes, Shawnee. Yes, it is way less steps. -3. Perfect. Yes. And we're going to get x equals 10 minus 3, 7 all day. Way easier. Yes, it is. And if you're the type of math person that really does struggle with distributing, this way it just saves you so much time. You don't even have to, did I distribute correctly, right? It just throws it. It's just 1 step, 2 step. Boom, you got your answer. Thank you, Michael, for the Go Populace. So thank you for saying that, Michael, for showing it a new way. Wonderful. All right, number 11. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length of 9 and a width of 4? Are we getting A, B, C, or D? Put your answers in the chat. What we getting? I'm going to draw this for my visual learners. Do we have a live goal? It's not active for me again. Yes, we do have a live goal. I have a live goal of 5 heart knees. That's my live goal for tonight. Thank you for asking, Shawnee. Van Breezy said B. Wonderful. One Vice said 26. So we're going to do this rectangle. Thank you, Shawnee. Thank you, love, for the hand heart, for the hand hearts. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you guys, for the gifts. Thank you for the fest pop. Thank you, Shawnee. I really do appreciate it so much. Thank you. Thank you, you guys, for the gifts. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Samara, for grabbing your heart me today. All right, so perimeter. Whenever we see this word, we better think add. Okay, so if we add this, 13 plus 13, and that is 26 all day. Remember, if they could do this to you guys, they could add an E. Well, not really, but sometimes they'll do this sneaky stuff. They'll have 2 answers that has 26, one with the M squared and one with the M. You have to know when you're doing perimeter, it's only an M, never an M squared with perimeter. Okay? I have seen that on some of these tests that they do that. And you got to make sure you choose the right units. Thank you, Shawnee. Thank you. See, they is hating on me right now. Yes, I put it in everything. So thank you for telling me that. Oh, Samara, welcome to the pack family. Thank you for sharing out the live. Thank you. All right, so 13. A triangle has sides lengths 7, 8, and 9 centimeters. What is the longest side? A, B, C, or D? Put your answers in the chat. C. Yes, Sharon. Beautiful. The biggest number is the longest side, you guys. So perfect. We good there. Wonderful. Okay, do we know our vocabulary, right? I knew that used to take me out 1,000 times because I didn't know what these words were saying. What number is irrational? I could barely say them too, okay? What number is irrational, you guys? A. Okay, I see a C, A. C. Okay, I see C, A, C, C. Do we know what this means? It's okay. Put it in the chat. If you don't know what this means, I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to break down that fancy word. Okay, we got to be in the chat. I don't know right now. Okay, so what this means is you're going to have a decimal. Well, your answer, once you simplify this, is going to be a decimal that goes on forever. So that means it cannot stop. So, okay. So right here, this doesn't work. Even though it's a decimal, it doesn't work because it stops. So that can't be it. What's the square root of 49, you guys? There's only one me. Thank you for the rose, love. What's the square root of 49? Do we know? 777. Beautiful. Yes. So we know this. That doesn't work because it comes out as a whole number. So really, we got a 50-50 chance here. Now, I don't know what this is because it's not a perfect square, right? But let me see what this is. Does this go on forever? That's what I need to know. So 9 goes into 70. How many times, Pack family? How many times? Not 8, right? That's too high. 7? 63? Yes, 7. 7 times 9, yes, it's 63. We're going to get another 7, right? Drop down another 0. Then we can put another 7, 63. Does anybody recognize the pattern of what's happening here? See how we're going to keep on going? See how we're going to keep on repeating 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 forever? Ooh, is it 2 of them? But you know what? Irrationals can't be written as fractions, right? Oh, yes, they can. Because we write pi. Pi is an irrational number. But sometimes they tell us to write pi as 22 over 7. Ah, man. Are these both the answers? Let me see. What's the square root of 19, you guys? Is that go on forever and ever? I got to charge my calculator. Yep, running out of battery. Okay, so let's see. Yes? Okay, let's see. Where's the square root? Second square root, 19. Let's see real quick. 4.3588898. Oh, see how it goes on forever too? I think both of these are the answer, you guys. So let me just 7 divided by 9. Yeah, see how 7, 7, 7, it's a run on. Ah, what is irrational? I'm going to circle C though. Because for some reason, I want to say it has to run on forever, but I don't think it could be repetitive. Can somebody look that up real quick? Can somebody look up what's irrational? You guys, I don't know if you guys hear my other phone in the background. Yeah, I know it's C because it goes on forever, but I don't know about repetitive, like repeating ones. So we'll put a question mark by this. I got to look it up, okay? All right. Let's go to number 12. Find the area of a circle with radius 6 feet. Okay. Remember, you are going to get a formula sheet for the GED. My God. In case I shouldn't have said your name. I should have just read the comment in case you got people watching you, okay? I ain't gonna put your business out there. But yes. I can honestly say, for the most part, I don't think I've ever had that. I think but I've been in math jobs, right? So I don't know, but I can't say that I've had anybody, no boss that's just out of the cuckoo mind. But I heard it does happen. Irrational. Sharon says C. Latoya been C. Shawnee says C. Okay. So let's talk about this formula. Hey, Latoya. Pi r squared is our formula, okay? Now, we're going to plug in this 6 for the radius. Hello, hello. And this 3.14 for pi. So let's do it. All right. What do we do first when we're solving this? If we didn't have a calculator, what will we have to do first, you guys? Put it in the chat. Multiply. Ooh, do we multiply first? 36. Yes. We got to do the exponent first, then we multiply. It's me. Thank you for grabbing your heart me today. So we're going to get 36 because 6 times 6 gets us 36. And then we're going to times that by, now we can multiply it to the 3.14. Hello, Danielle. Welcome in, love. Welcome in. Thank you for grabbing your heart me today. So we're going to get 6 times 4 is 24. 6, 7, 8, 18. Put that placeholder. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 and 9. 4, 10, 12, 13. Perfect. And 11. Remember, we got 2 digits after, you guys, so it's going to go right here. And that is our beautiful answer. Now, as soon as we saw it was a 4 here, though, I really want you to start getting in the habit of crossing this stuff out. So it does less work for your eyes, okay? Like, so you can see, oh, I only have 1 4 and 1 4, right? Really, as soon as we saw this 0 here, we had our answer. Hello, Janice. Welcome in. Okay, so 14. What is the volume of a cube with edge length 5 inches? I don't know. I just feel like, are we going fast? Am I going fast, you guys? Or are we going slow? What are we doing? D, 125, length times width times height, DD. Good. I see those D's coming in. Okay, I'm going to circle it because y'all saying it. Good. So, cube. What do we have to know about a cube? What do we have to know about the sides of a cube, right? That's the most important thing. If I put 5 here, I got to put 5 everywhere because they have all the same sides. And yes, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 all day. Good, Danielle. All equal. Beautiful. Hey, Bow. Welcome in. Yep, perfect. Good. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, Michael looked it up for me. Thank you, Michael. You know I heart you. An irrational number is a real number that cannot be expressed as a fraction or 2 integers. Hey, welcome in, love. Or it has to be a fraction of. See, so then we were right? But that doesn't make sense because, see what I'm saying about pi? Because you know how sometimes they tell us to write pi as 22 over 7? Use 22 over 7 as pi. And this can be too irrational. So are we saying pi? What are we saying? So we saying 22 over 7 is irrational? Okay, so this is rational. That's what we're saying. So good. I'm glad we specified. Hey, Jacinda. Welcome in. Okay, so you guys, thank you. If you understood that definition, see, that's the thing, that definition. An irrational number is a real number that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Okay, so it can't be, so if we see a fraction, it's not irrational. That's what we're saying. Because it can't be a fraction. I get it now. I had to double read it. Okay, perfect. Hello, Jacinda. Good evening. Okay, does that make sense to you guys? A fraction of two integers. Yes. So if I write 22 over 7, this is a fraction with two integers. 22 is an integer and 7 is an integer. So if I write pi this way, then this is rational, not this side is rational, this side is irrational. That's what we're saying, right? (22) divided by 7 is an approximate of pi. It is not equal to pi. Ah, got it. Got it. Okay. That makes sense. No? Everybody else? No, we don't get it? Let me see some more people in the chat. Thank you, Eddie, for grabbing your heart me today. We need to go more into that though. We got to go more into those like classifying numbers, you guys, because that is on the GED. Okay, Sharon said D for this one. Okay, I'm gonna circle it because you said it. A scale drawing uses a scale of 1 inch equals. Oh, thank you, Shani, for the bubble gum. Uses a scale of 1 inch equals 4 feet. If a room is drawn as 6 inches long, how long is the actual room? Okay, perfect. So we're going to say 1 over 4 equals to what? Welcome in, Cotton Candy. Welcome in, love. Where are we putting the 6 at? Top or bottom? Okay, Latoya, you said 24 feet. Okay. Yes, welcome in. Top, up. Good, Bow. Good, Shawnee. Good, you guys. Yes, it has to go up because inch. That's why it's top. Perfect. We're going to put X on the bottom because we don't know how many feet. Wonderful. And then we just cross. So we get X equals 6 times 4, 24. So wonderful. Marquise, what are you doing? Don't do that. Thank you. Okay, number 17. Evaluate the function. So we have f to the third. What does evaluate mean again? What that mean? What does this translate in our brain to do? Replace. Good. Plug it in and solve. Yes. Plug it in. Yes. Good. Michael, test. We better plug it in wherever we see an X. Good. Latoya said 11. Okay. I see you. Let's circle it and let's show it. So we're going to say f of 3 equals 4 times 3. Why are we saying times? Because whenever a number is attached to a letter, they're multiplied together. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Somebody's going off with a double tapping. And I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you for those double taps. Thank you, you guys. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 1. And yes, that is 11. Thank you, Latoya, for the roses. Thank you. So, what we getting for number 19? Thank you, love, for the roses. Does the table represent a proportional relationship? Thank you, Shani, for the paper crane. Thank you. Oh, I'm writing paper crane. Oh, y'all can see it's been a long day for Miss Taylor, okay? Man. Does the table represent a proportional relationship? Looks linear. Okay, so that's yes. What does that mean? Okay, remember, in order for it to represent a proportional relationship, You gotta go through 0, 0. Man, Sharon. I just went shopping for all the stuff. So I just went shopping for all the groceries. And so I'm gonna start cooking tomorrow. I'm gonna start. This. I'm excited, you guys. I'm gonna be posting this. What? I know. You know, yes, I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna start cooking a little bit, prepping tomorrow. You can see how much I be in the kitchen, Sharon. Okay, like it's not my life, but I'm excited. This is what I'm most excited about. I have decided and am determined to make this caramel cake for the first Thanksgiving. And I already asked my mom for the caramel recipe. I'm ready to hit it, be stirring for 2 hours when my arm almost falling off. I'm ready to not burn it, but I did buy extra cans just in case. But that's what I'm looking forward to, is my caramel cake that I'm making for the first time, y'all. So keep me in prayer if you a prayer. But everything else, I'm just like, I hope it turns out good. And what about you guys? Yes, Danielle. Yes. What about you, Sharon? What y'all, did you guys already start cooking? Somebody, you guys meeting up with people? Oh man, Latoya, I hope you have a wonderful time going to Jamaica. I love it. Oh, you gonna get some real oxtail or beans and rice. I'm not cooking. Danielle, enjoy it. Let me tell you. If I try that, I'm gonna have too many eyes. And you know, yeah. Too many eyes look at me like, what we gonna eat? And then everything shuts down. So, baby, don't be trying to like go try to search for something. We'll start prepping tomorrow. Good. Test. Enjoy. Yes. Wife cooking. I love it, Val. I love it. Hey, Naldo. Good evening. Glad to see you tonight. Yep, you guys. So I'm going to be posting my caramel cake. Don't go too hard in the comments if it don't come out, you know. I'm not a non-cooker trying to cook. All right, so let's get to number 19. Does the table represent? Okay, so how we know is we're going to go back. We're going to see the pattern here. So if we go to 16 to 10, we're doing what? How do we get from 16 to 10, you guys? Okay, Latoya said no for this. We would, good, Shawnee. Yes, Latoya, subtract 6. Good, Danielle, subtract 6. Okay, so if we got to subtract 6, 4 minus 6 is going to give us a -2. Do you guys see how we would skip over 0? So that's why this doesn't work. Even if we go on this side and we minus 2. Well, 1 minus 2, that's a -1. And so we would get -1, -2. Nope, we skip over 0, 0. So that's why. Good. All right. Which equation represents a line with slope 3 and y-intercept -2? Are we getting A, B, C, or D? Is it just me, or does it feel like my background, like he done turned up the volume to the max? Is it just me, or do y'all hear that? B. Shawnee said B. I'm like, is it getting louder or what? Okay, so Shawnee said B for this one. I'm going to circle it because you said it, Shawnee. Okay, Latoya said C. I hear it. Yeah. I'm like, did he turn it up even louder? Okay. So in order for us to write an equation, we're going to do y equals mx plus b. Remember, our m is always our slope, you guys. Okay? And then our b is our y-intercept. So our m is going to be the slope, which is 3. And our b is -2. And yes, b is our answer. Wonderful, Michael. But I'll take that noise rather than the crying, right? We're going to take that noise over the crying any day. All right, number 18. Thank you, Jacinda, for the fist pops. A graph shows a line rising from left to right. This means the slope is what? Ooh, okay, Sharon says C. Latoya says C. Okay, I see C in the chat. Thank you for my double tappers. Thank you, Danielle, for the double taps. Thank you, Jacinda, for the double taps. Thank you. We almost at 5K. Hey. We made it to 5K. Thank you for the double taps. All right, so what does this mean? Thank you, Moonlight, for the rose. So let's graph this. It says we have a slope rising from left to right. Well, let's rise. From left to right, let's rise. Well, if we're rising and we read from left to right, as soon as we saw rising, we know it's going to be a positive slope. Okay, because it's rising from left to right. Good. C means correct. Yes, good, cotton candy. Yes. Wonderful. All right. What is the slope between points 4, 6, and 10, 12? X1, Y1. X2, Y2. 1. Okay, Latoya said 1. I'm going to circle it because you said it. Do we know our formula? Michael said A. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. And I'm going to plug in the bottom. Can you guys put the top in? What am I putting in for the top? I'm going to put what I'm putting in for the bottom. So we're going to do 10 minus 4. And what am I writing up here? 12 minus 6. Wonderful, Danielle. Yes, test. 12 minus 6. Good, Sharon. This is going to give us 6 over 6. And yes, anything divided by itself is always a 1. Good, Shawnee. Wonderful, you guys. Good. All right, let's keep it pushing. So now we made it to our statistics part of the GED. Hopefully you recognize which sections were which. I believe the first section was order of operations. We just got done doing functions, you guys, and equations. Thank you, Jacinda. Oh, no, don't come close. Let me see that. Let me see it. I'll give it back.
Are you pretending to be a volcano?
Thank you. Gotta turn it down a little bit, okay? Okay, go back over there. Watch your phone. Watch my phone. Give me a kiss. Oh, why you do that? Okay, there you go. Okay. Go ahead, baby. Okay. What is the median of the data set? Oh boy. Here goes this vocab. Do we understand what median means? 5. Okay, I'm going to circle A because Danielle said it. 8. Ooh, we got A and B right now. 8. Okay, so middle. Thank you. Yes. It means the middle. So before we can get anything in the middle, remember this first step. Okay, good. Okay, no worries at all. I love it. We switching it to B. We got to go from smallest to greatest. Order, yes. We got to put in order. So we're going to do 3, 5, 8, 10, 12. Perfect. And now we can samurai each side. So we're gonna go shoo, 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 shoo. And yes, 8 is our median. So wonderful. And yes, you have to do the shoo, shoo, shoo with it, okay? Do those ninja chops. Okay, let's go to 23. Perfect, Danielle. Yes. In a survey, 40% of students prefer chocolate ice cream. Yuck. If 300 students participated, how many prefer chocolate? Okay, I see 120. Is this really accurate? Do 40% people like chocolate ice cream? Let's do a little survey real quick. Oh, shit. No. My favorite, One Bad Breezy. Oh, man. Sharon said yes. Michael, Tess, thank you. Okay? I'm like, am I the only way? No way, right? Latoya, yes. I can't stand no chocolate ice cream. I got to go vanilla or strawberry. That's my top 2. I love, remember, you love it, Breezy? Oh, man. I got B as well. Okay, good, Shani. Okay. Yes, strawberry. Yes, test. Okay. Yep. Okay, so let's do 40% of this. So 300 times, I guess it really is true then, y'all. I guess it is. 4 times 0, 0, 0, 12. We got that 1 digit. Put it right here. And that is 120. Wow, you prefer chocolate and vanilla mix? Oh, I can't do it. Chocolate or butter pecan? Now, butter pecan, I can do. That's the closest I can get to like having any type of, well, I guess butter pecan don't even got chocolate in it, huh? But I feel like it does a little bit. Cookie and cream? I used to back in the day, but I don't know what it is, but I used to love cookie and cream too, but nowadays I just go to my straight old vanilla. I do butter pecan and strawberry. Grape nut? I never heard of that. I haven't heard of that. A class scored 70, 85, 90. Sharon said, I like cookie and cream too. Yes. 70, 85, 90, and 95. What is the mean? Okay, mean. What that mean? Test said B. Okay, what you doing? You don't start clicking on stuff, please. Okay. You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, you want to show your hand? Okay, here. Say hi. Sharon said hello. Tessa said, hey, baby. Danielle said hi. Latoya said hi. It's not time yet. Oh, yes, it's time. Yeah, it's your turn. And Michael said hi. Shani said hi, love. Yes, Shani, that's what I need. I need you up in this house with him, okay? Get him right. A class scored. Okay, so if we're trying to find the average, you guys, we're going to do 70 plus 85 plus 90 plus 95. All over. What we divided by, you guys? Four. Beautiful. I see those 4s coming in. Wonderful, you guys. All right, so if we add here, we're going to get, what does this give me? 15, 155, 155. And this is going to give me 185. 340, 340, perfect. So I'm going to get 340 once I combine these, divided by 4. Bottoms out, top dog in. So 4 goes into 34. 8. As soon as we see this 8, we should be circling B and moving on. Yes, good. Let's wait. Good, Sharon. Yes, that's exactly what we should be doing. Wonderful, you guys. All right. The bar graph shows, oh boy, here we go. We ain't got no bar graph showing nothing. 20 students prefer soccer, 30 prefer basketball, 10% or 10 prefer tennis. How many total students were surveyed? What you guys getting for this? C. Beautiful. 60? Good. Yep. C. Wonderful. Do 20 plus 30 plus 10. Yep. And that equals 60. It should have been like, because, you know, a real true bar graph, you guys, what it looks like this. Now, when we do a bar graph, remember, they don't touch. The bars do not touch. Only in a histogram. Oh, I can't even say it. Oh, why did I do this? But let's say this was, but it would look something like this, and then it would have the numbers on the side. So it would be much harder because they just told you what it was, but you would have to be able to read this bar graph and then like know like, okay, how much is it? So it could be more complicated than that. But yes, you would just add them all up. So wonderful. Okay, the best for last. The best for last. Okay, a data set has a mean of 50. If one new value, 100, is added, what happens to the mean? Good, Sharon said it increases. C. Latoya said it increases. Good. C. Yeah. It's for sure going to increase. Because if you add more to it, anytime you add something more, it's going to increase it. Well, is that true? Am I saying that right? Well, I guess because we added 100 more, right? Because I think if you add, am I saying that right, you guys? Thank you, Cotton Candy, for the roses. So, yep, that's our answer. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm saying that right. Because I'm like, is there something you can add that can actually decrease it? But I guess only if you add a negative number. No candy. No, you guys already had a candy. No. All right, you guys. Have a wonderful night. Oh, do not be sad. Do not. You want to say bye to the people?
Yeah.
Say goodbye, good night. No. You just say bye. Put your hand right here. Say bye. Thank you guys, for the gifts. Good night, Pack family. Yeah, we doing tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, we gonna do tomorrow, you guys. Wednesday, around 1 o'clock. That's my plan because I ain't got nowhere to be. So I should make it tomorrow. And good night. Yeah, we're going to do the ASVAB potato salad. Hey, potato salad. Yeah, because I didn't do it tonight, you guys. I did the GED instead. So we'll do the ASVAB tomorrow, okay? Yes, I appreciate y'all for showing up, gifting to me, double tapping. I love our community. So thank you.
Maybe